Today we will learn how to apply 3D and golden effect to text. First of all, write your message by using the Type tool or by pressing the T button on the keyboard. I have written gold here. And select the font style as Times New Roman. Now open the color option in the Properties panel, and then paste this code. Transform the text into artboard size. Now open the Effect option on the bottom right side and select Bevel and Emboss. Now keep the depth around 650 and size around 29 px. And set the remaining details as shown. And finally, created a 3D golden text effect. Similarly, you can create other text effects like this. #CCCCCC color code has been used in it. And this is another text effect. I have used #EIT6 color code. Okay, that's enough for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked the video, then subscribe to the channel, and see you again in the next video. And you can also watch our shorts to know tips and tricks.